Hello everyone, konnichiwa. Ito, ulitin natin, no? Kaya nakala ko kasi ay ano tayo. Okay, sa grammar, particle ga. Ang ginagamit natin lagi ng particle ga is lagi ga skides, ga kiraides, ga josu desu. Okay? And ga wakarimasu ka, ga wakarimasu ka, or ga arimasu ka, nani nani ga wakarimasu ka, nani nani ga arimasu ka. Then what do you like? Donna suki desu ka? Donna tabemono ga suki desu ka? Donna tabemono ga. So, laging ga pa rin ang suki desu ka? Suki. Very little, yoku, taitai, taksan, fukushi, amari, and zenzen. Yoku, very, taitai, not more or less, a little. Taksan, much. Fukushi is a little. Amari, not at all. And zenzen, nothing at all. Sentence, that's why. Sentence 2. Sentence 1, that's why. Kara, okay? Jikan ga arimasen kara benkyou shimasen deshita. Okay? Kasi, because, and then, ano ang nangyari? So, ano-ano kasi, kaya, blah, 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 blah. So, kara, kasi, kaya, blah, 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 blah. Wala kasi akong oras, kaya hindi ako nakapag-aral. Jikan ga arimasen kara benkyou shimasen deshita. Interrogative Y, doshite. Okay? For example, particle ga to have, ga arimasu. I have a car. Kurma ga arimasu. I have something to do. Yoji ga arimasu. Do you have something to do? Yoji ga arimasu ka? Hai, arimasu. Yes, I have. Iie, arimasen. No, I don't have. Okay? Noun ga wakarimasu. Ga wakarimasu. I understand Japanese. Nihongo ga wakarimasu. I know kanji. Kanji ga wakarimasu. Do you understand Japanese? Nihongo ga wakarimasu ka? Hai, wakarimasu. Okay? Iie, wakarimasen. En ga suki desu. Nani nani ga suki desu ka? He likes sports. Kare wa sports ga suki desu. He likes sports. He likes dancing. Kanojo wa dansu ga suki desu. Basta suki, kirai, wakarimasu. Ga ang kanilang particle. Do you like sports, Mr. Tanaka? Tanaka-san, sports ga suki desu ka? Yes, I like it. Hai, suki desu. No, I don't like it. Iie, suki ja arimasen. Noun ga kirai desu. Ga kirai desu. Don't like. Okay, I don't like that movie. その映画が嫌いです。I don't like vegetables. 野菜が好きじゃありません。Do you hate vegetables? 野菜が嫌いですか? Yes, I hate it. はい、嫌いです。No, I like it. いいえ、好きです。or いいえ、嫌いじゃありません。Okay, and が上手です。very good at. He is good at sports. 彼はスポーツが上手です。He is good at dancing. 彼女はダンスが上手です。Is he good at sports? 彼はスポーツが上手ですか? Yes, he is good. はい、上手です。No, he isn't. いいえ、上手じゃありません。Okay, どんなブラブラが好きですか? どんな食べ物が好きですか? どんなどんな音楽が好きですか? What kind of music do you like? どんなタイプが好きですか? Anong type ba ang gusto mo? Okay? What sports do you like? どんなスポーツが好きですか? Yaku ga suki desu. Yaku is baseball. Baseball. Okay? What food do you like? Donna tabemono ga suki desu ka? Watashi wa Thai ryori ga suki desu. Okay? Yoku, positive, daitai, sukushi. This is still have. Yoku. Okay? Very well. Or the daitai, more or less, still have. And negative one is amari, not much, and zenzen, nothing at all. I understand very well. Yoku wakarimasu. I understand the general idea. Daitai, more or less, I understand. I understand a little. Sukushi wakarimasu. I don't understand very well. Amari wakarimasen. I don't understand at all. Zenzen wakarimasen. Okay, yoku, daitai, sukushi, amari, zenzen. The positive is yoku and daitai and sukushi. The negative is amari, zenzen. Negative. Okay, I understand English very well. Ego ga yoku wakarimasu. I understand English quite well. Ego ga daitai wakarimasu. I understand English a little. Ego ga sukushi wakarimasu. Okay, I don't understand English so well. Ego ga ammari wakarimasen. I don't understand English at all. This is the negative one. Okay, ego ga zenzen wakarimasen. I have a lot. Taksan arimasu. Okay, this amount. I have a lot. Marami ako. Taksan arimasu. I have a little. Meron ako konti lang. Sukushi arimasu. I don't have much. Amari arimasen. I don't have any. Zenzen arimasen. I have a lot of money. Okane ga takusan arimasu. I have some money. Okane ga sukushi arimasu. I don't have much money. Okane ga amari arimasen. I don't have any money. Zenzen. Walang-walang pera. Okane ga zenzen. Walang-wala. Zero. Zenzen arimasen. Okay? The adjective, it's a bit cold. Sukushi samui desu. Sukushi samui desu. It's a bit expensive. Sukushi takai desu. It's not cold at all. Zenzen takakunai desu. It's not expensive at all. Zenzen takakunai desu. Takakunai desu. Okay? S1, that is why S2. S2 because S1. S1, S1 kara S2. Okay? S1 kasi kaya S2. Okay? S2 kaya S1. S2 kasi kaya naging S1. Okay? I don't have much time. That is why I didn't study. Okay? S1 kara, that is why S2. Ikan ga amari arimasen kara, benkyou shimasen deshita. The result of kara is benkyou shimasen deshita. Ikan ga arimasen kara, wala kasi akong oras. Amari arimasen kara, wala akong masyadong oras, kaya hindi ako nakapag-aral. I didn't study because I don't have much time. Hindi ako nag-aral kasi wala akong oras. Benkyou shimasen deshita. Ikan ga amari arimasen kara. So, pareho meaning, binaligtad lang. Okay, because I don't have time. Doste, why? Why didn't you study? Because I don't have time. Wala kasi akong oras. Doste, benkyou shimasen deshita ka. Ikan ga arimasen kara. Okay, kasi, kara. I'll go home early today. Doste desu ka? Kyou wa, kyou, hayaku kaerimasu. Doste desu ka? Why? Ba't ka uwi na maaga? Why? Because I have something to do. Kasi meron akong gagawin. Yoji ga arimasu. Kara. Kasi. Okay? I have or do you have? Pen ga arimasu. Pen ga arimasu ka? Kurma ga arimasu ka? Hai, kurma ga arimasu. ごめんなさい。お金がありますか？はい、お金があります。いいえ、お金がありません。Magiging negative yun. Yoji ga, asta yoji ga arimasu ka? Meron ka bang gagawin bukas? Iye, 明日は用事がありません。or, はい、明日用事があります。時間がありますか? Meron ka bang oras? Guminasay, 時間がありません. Wala po akong oras. 時間がありません. はい、時間があります. Ay, meron po akong oras. Okay, I understand. Do you understand? Ga, wakarimasu ka? France語がわかりますか? Spain 語がわかりますか? Do you understand Spanish? 日本語がわかりますか? はい、日本語がわかります。英語がわかりますか? はい、英語がわかります。漢字がわかりますか? はい、漢字がわかります。ごめんなさい。フランス語がわかりますか? いいえ、フランス語がわかりません。Okay? Or, 全然わかりません。フランス語が全然わかりません。I don't understand at all. Okay, I like, dislike, do you like? Okay, still ga. Noun ga suki desu ka? Noun ga kirai desu ka? Kurma ga suki desu ka? Hai, kurma ga suki desu. Or, iie, kurma ga kirai desu. Sports ga suki desu ka? Do you like sports? Positive, hai, sports ga suki desu. Negative, iie, sports ga kirai desu. Benkyou ga kirai desu ka? Ayaw mo ba nang mag-aral? You don't like to study? Benkyou ga kirai desu ka? You hate studying? Parang ganon. Hai, benkyou ga kirai desu. Or, negative, sa tanong niya, iie, benkyou ga suki desu. Okay? Yasai ga kirai desu ka? Hai, yasai ga kirai desu. Then negative sa sagot niya, sa sagot sa tanong niya, iie, yasai ga suki desu. Okay, I am good at, I am bad at. Are you good at or bad at? Noun ga, josu desu ka? Josu is magaling, heta is hindi magaling. Okay, ego ga josu desu ka? Or ego ga heta desu ka? Di ka ba marunong mag-English? Heta desu ka? Ego ga josu desu ka? Magaling ka ba mag-English? Sports ga josu desu ka? Magaling ka ba mag-sports? Sports ga heta desu ka? Hindi ka ba magaling mag-sports? Dance ga heta desu ka? Hindi ka ba magaling magsumayaw? Dance ga josu desu ka? Magaling ka bang sumayaw? Utaga josu desu ka? Magaling ka bang kumanta? Utaga heta desu ka? Hindi ka ba magaling kumanta? Okay? Then the adverbs, ang degree ng positive, okay? Degree is yung yoku, always, daytay, more or less, squishy, kaunti. Ang negative ng yoku is amari, and ang negative is ng degree is amari, hindi masyado, then nothing at all, walang-wala. And then the amount is taksan, marami, and kaunti, positive. The negative is walang masyado, and zenzen is walang-wala talaga. Zenzen, arimasen. Laging ang, itong negative, laging negative ang kanyang verb. Amari, wakarimasen. Amari, dekimasen. Zenzen, dekimasen. Zenzen, arimasen. Zenzen, arimasen. Zenzen, wakarimasen. I don't understand at all. Okay? Conversation practice. 今日のレッスンがわかりますか? Okay. Anyway, スポーツが好きですか? Do you like sports? が好きですか? Tatalo, が好きですか? Laging ga ang particle pagka 好き. Sports ga 好きですか? どのスポーツが好きですか? So, what kind of sports do you like? Ryori ga 上手ですか? Ga 上手. Kasi ni-specify eh. Ang ryori, ang what kind of sports, ang what kind of do you like sports? Okay, ryori ga josu desu ka? Do you like cooking? Okane ga taksan arimasu ka? Ga taksan arimasu ka? Marami ka bang pera? Okane ga taksan arimasu ka? Anong taksang meron ka? Anong marami ka? Okane ga taksan. Doshite nihongo wo benkyou shimasu ka? Bakit ka nag-aaral ng Nihongo? Doshite nihongo wo benkyou shimasu ka? Okay? 日本語が好きですから。 Kasi I like Nihongo. Nihongo ga suki desu ka? Ga suki desu kara because I like Nihongo. 今日のレッスンがわかりますか？いいえ、全然わかりません。No, I don't understand at all. はい、よくわかります。Positive. Yes, I understand well. Okay? So this is our lesson for today. I hope you, i-follow na lang uli natin yung susunod tomorrow. Okay? 皆さん、えーっと、okay. I hope you understand our lesson for today. Thank you.